Hey, how's it going, guys? So this is going to be a brief technical video on how to integrate Perplexity with Clay.com for your AI web research. So if you're unfamiliar with Perplexity, think Google plus ChatGPT. It lets you search the web and then summarize its findings with a large language model. I forget which tool it uses to actually crawl the web. It might be Bing. Um, and it'll let you choose from a few different models. So you can use like Llama, for example. But just as a quick example, so you have please read the website clay.com and summarize what they do. So we'll have down here Clay's platform design to enhance data enrichment and automated personalized outreach for go-to-market teams. It consolidates over 75 data enrichment tools, blah, blah, blah. So it's on the right track. Um, um, and the API is not too hard to set up. You just go into you have to have an account created with them. You go into settings. I'm not going to get into that in this video. This assumes that you already have it set up. So this is how you actually go about uh, making these calls to Perplexity's API from Clay. So what we're going to use is we're going to use save this, save and don't run. So we're going to use add enrichment, HTTP. You're going to click on this HTTP API. I've already got this one set up to save a little bit of time. So what we're going to do here is we are going to copy this information over. So we are going to make a post request as our method. So you can see that there. This URL is the endpoint. Then we're going to make so we're gonna have to copy these over individually. So these headers, like these are key value pairs. So you have accept authorization content type. So if we scroll down here, so just like this, the authorization part is the only thing that we really have to change. So you have bearer space, then you're going to copy and paste your API key in, and then we are going to copy this over. So the data. Now this part was a little tricky. So this was the only confusing part. Like this company domain, for whatever reason, if I try to bring it in this way, it's going to give me errors. I'm going to pause the video real quick so I can put my API key and show you. Yeah, so you can see this failed to parse the body input. I'm going to pause this again, delete the API key. Yeah, so this is a hacky way that I figured out how to get it to work. There's probably a more robust solution, but I'll figure that one out later. So I'm going to go to company domain. I am just going to, highlight it, Control X to delete it. I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to pause the video again to put my API key back in. All right, cool. And now I ran it, and let's see. Check these results. Say clay.com is blah, blah, blah. Perplexity is blah, blah, blah. OpenAI. Yeah, I don't know why that is the case. It's just one of those quirks with, I guess, data types. It might be interpreting that as a string, or it might be interpreting that as a link data type or something like that, as opposed to a string data type, which is causing errors. Whatever the case, that is my workaround. So this is, yeah, like I said, quick and dirty, or quick way to integrate Perplexity into Clay for your AI web research. It's really a fantastic tool. One thing to keep in mind is that you'll probably have to play around with it. I think using these models individually, the experience works a little bit different than just say using Perplexity in here. So you're gonna have to play around with it to get the results you want. But it's a phenomenal tool and it's fairly cheap. So play around with it, have some fun. Cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, let me know in the comments below. If you hated it, please also let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.